G'day guys, Greg here. Well, today I'm going to make a pasta sauce using my favourite meat, the mighty sausage. There's nothing better than some sausage, I tell you what. It goes in, looking the same way as it comes out, and it's got like all the food groups in it. I mean, there's meat, that's all you need. So today we are going to make a pasta sauce using this and a few other ingredients. I'll show you which ones. Now I got some more of my favourite sausage, the salami. Or you can use pepperoni for this. It's the same thing, right? I got an onion, I got some spices here, which you can or don't need to use. I just use them because otherwise they're going to go off in the cupboard. And I've got myself a pasta sauce here, pre-made. Come on, as if you're going to make your own. Who does that? Do I look like an old grandma? And I'm using something that I haven't used for quite a while. Well, not on videos anyway. Some butter. I tell you what, look how much, my container's always empty because I go through it like beer on a hot sunny day. So anyway, that's all I'm using today, plus some pasta, of course. I'll cook that up later. So let's start cooking. All right, is this warmed up yet? Oh, you... It has, you ripper. So we'll throw our sausage in.
That's what she said.
Something that I haven't done in quite a while, actually. I'm starting to feel the pinch too, just quietly. So we'll get these cooking nice and brown. Remember how to cook a sausage? You gotta like turn it every now and then. Let it cook on one side for a bit, then turn it. You know the drill. And while that sausage is cooking, you probably want to cut your onion up. Now, I've already pre-cut my onion today because whenever I do cut it, like to show you, I always get people complaining. They're always saying,
Greg, you're cutting it wrong.
Why don't you learn how to cut an onion properly, mate?
You're the worst onion cutter that I ever sorted.
so instead of giving those people the satisfaction of abusing me for my onion cutting lack of skills, I pre-cut it. And I also diced up that salami because I tell you what, the girth on that salami was just like absolutely amazing. It's funny how men get jealous of meat products, don't they? But I just decided to cut it up, and so I did that too. All right, well, these sausages, look at them. They look absolutely like something that you just want to stick in your mouth or rub all over your body, don't they? So now I want to start these onions cooking, so I'll whack in some butter because we all know the benefits of butter, don't we? Well, if you're really unattractive, I tell you what, women will throw themselves at you if you start eating butter. That goes for women too. Alrighty. So I've got to try and get it in the pan and not down the side here. So we'll do that. Might as well throw the salami in too. Or is it pepperoni? Same thing. And we'll start that cooking. Now I'm throwing that pepperoni in, or is it salami? Same thing. But I'm throwing it in because it does add a lot more extra flavour to it. And when that fat melts through it, oh mate, you will love it. Plus it's got some amazing health benefits. Processed meats are some of the best health foods for you, said no one ever. Now you can leave your sausage whole if you like, if you're that way inclined. But I just like to grab the old paper scissors, cut them up. Just makes the dish look like it's going further pretty much. You could take it out and use a cutting board, but why would you? That's why God invented scissors. Plus I reckon it's faster doing it this way too. And plus, if you're a notorious pan overcrowder, like I am, just gives it a lot more space and room for everything to mix through nicely. And we'll just cook this until the salami, or is it pepperoni? Same thing. Until it gets a little bit crispy anyway. And those onions become that delicious caramel colour. Have a look at this now. It's looking more overcooked than undercooked, which is exactly how I like it. Now, today I thought I would throw some herbs and spices in. Well, herbs. So I got some oregano here, or oregano as English people call it. And, well, you don't have to add this stuff, but I'm going to anyway. But if you do, just don't use too much. Just use like a fart's worth. So, what was that? That was oregano, right. What's your time? Thyme. That's always good in pastas. Thyme. You got the thyme. I got the place. About the same amounts worth. Now, have I got some basil? No, I don't, because I ran out, of course. So instead, I'll use some rosemary. But you can use rosemary and basil if you like. They're all Italian herbs, so I'm sure the Italians watching will appreciate me adding those in. And now, I just need to add some pasta sauce. Oh yeah, this one looks pretty good actually. Now, normally I'd probably put some wine in this, but someone has come in during the night and drank it all. So I just put a little bit of water just to clean the jar out. You know, now it can be recycled for using as, I don't know, throwing at things. I haven't used this brand before, so I thought I'd give it a go. It was on half price special too, just quietly. So now, I'm going to reduce the heat on this, like right down low. And I'll stick a pizza tray on top. And then that can just stew away. And I really need to put the pasta on, so let's do that. Alrighty. Put some water in here. Pre-boiled that water was. I'll add some salt to the water because I always do. I've got a half-used packet of spag here. So I want to get about a girth's worth. Again, you know what I'm talking about, fellas. Although if we were talking about my girth, I'd probably just need one strand. But we're not talking about mine. Talk about someone else's. Someone very, very lucky. I wonder who'll yell at me for snapping my pasta today. If you're going to, please do. Don't be afraid. Now, how long do you cook this for? Why isn't it on the front of the packet? Cook for so many minutes. Oh, it does. Right there, 8 minutes. Right. Well, they could have made it a little bit bolder, couldn't they? 8 minutes. Now, I always like to add a bit of olive oil to my water when I'm cooking pasta. Not for any particular reason, other than I know that it annoys the absolute cuckoos out of a lot of my viewers. They say, Greg, it doesn't do anything. Well, I think it does, so. What I think goes, because it's my cooking channel. If you don't like it, then make your own cooking videos. Just come back in 8 minutes and serve this up. Alright, well, here we go. Let's suss out this pasta sauce I made. Oh, mate. That looks really nice. And it smells really nice too. Alrighty, so let's get a bowl. Some spago. Oh, yum. Oh, dudes, come on. I mean, please, there's no way you can't be like drooling right now. And if you aren't, then there's probably a good reason. Because I haven't added some cheese. Oh yeah. That's not cheese, Greg. Yeah. That's better. Yum diddly do. Yum diddly scrumptious. I can't wait to dive on in for the old sausage and pepperoni, or is it salami? Doesn't matter, same thing. Pasta sauce. Taste test. Oh, you know what? I forgot to add some garlic. Start again. All right. Oh my God. Oh man. Oh, that tastes so good. And the flavour of this is, oh mate. Anyway, there you go. There's a nice simple recipe for you. If you do make it, I'd love to know what you thought about yours. Now this meal, I'm going to get 3 or 4 meals out of it, and all up, it's only going to cost me about $6. If you do like my videos, remember subscribe for more. I'm trying to make 4 videos a week. It's not easy, but I'm trying. And I'm doing a good job at it too. What do you reckon? If I am, show me some thumb and love. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you next time I cook something. See you then. Oh, yes. Oh yeah, this is Greg's Kitchen, where today I made this amazing, delicious pasta sauce using sausage, pepperoni or salami. It doesn't matter, same thing really. But it was delicious.